guys, welcome welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. Today's video is going to be a really quick Gilly Talks episode, and today we're just going to be talking about just some motivational points for my fellow small YouTubers out there. You know, just like little things like that, nothing too serious. It's really chill, laid back video. So if you're a small YouTuber and maybe sometimes you're feeling a little bit down about the progress of your channel, then you know, just keep on watching and hopefully we can kind of like uplift each other at the same time. But before all of that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And after you watch this video, if you like it, please press the thumb up button and comment down below. So let's just jump right into it. This week I hit a really big landmark for my channel. I'd say I have a video that finally reached 1,000 views. It's going over 1,000 views right now, and I am very happy about that, obviously. And my channel has actually gained about 20 new subscribers within like the past week and a half as well. So that's been really exciting, just because, you know, I felt like my channel was growing really slow and I've been consistent with YouTube for about a year now, and I was like, oh man, like I'm still stuck at like 100 subscribers, and I was really happy to even hit 100 subscribers. It was really cool to even do that. But I feel like now that I had a video that people seem to, you know, kind of like, I was like, okay, like this is good. Like it was just like a little bit of motivation, you know. So that's why I just want to share with you guys that sometimes you just keep doing videos and just keep doing the same thing you're doing, and obviously try to like improve yourself, try to read the statistics on your video, kind of get a feel for what's happening in the whatever, you know, bubble that you're in. Obviously I'm like in the beauty bubble, so you know, I try to keep up with what would be a good video for the time that I want to post it and all of that stuff. But just know that, like, I guess things do get better, and somewhere, somehow, someone is enjoying the content that you're making. So you really like shouldn't give up, because like I'm sure that all these big YouTubers didn't like wake up one day and have instant sensation, you know. They've been doing this for a very long time, which is something I think people forget about. And like for me, one of my favorite YouTubers is Patricia Bright, and she's one of those people that was like, you know, I was doing YouTube for like 6 years before anything even happened, before I even made like any actual money off of it. And so that's why I really like watching her channel for like motivation to just keep going with my channel and keep doing my thing, because you know, whether it's now or later, I know that something will happen with this channel. And you know, I'm really excited for when that day comes, whether it be now or in 8 years. I'm just gonna keep making videos that I enjoy making. I don't want to make videos that are just for the sake of making it because it's gonna go viral or something. You know, I just want to do things that are more like genuine to who I am as a person, and that's just kind of my overall advice for this video. It's not going to be very long. I just wanted to say like a quick be you, do you, and just be the best version of yourself that you can be. And if people don't like it, well, tell them like fuck off, and trust me, somebody out there is gonna like it. You just got to keep going. Like on my video that had 1,000 views, I still had like 4 people say they didn't like it because like they gave it a thumbs down. But I'm not gonna like take that to heart, because well, 20 other something people did like it, and apparently 1,000 people viewed it. So you know, you just gotta take the good with the bad and just enjoy the process and don't try to rush things. So yeah, that's really all that I wanted to say. I don't want this video to be too long, and I just want to say that, you know, I feel your pain. Small YouTubers, stay strong, let's stick together, and just know that someday it's gonna happen. See you guys later.